Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your financial records with Xero easy tutorial step by step clearly. Log in to your Xero account. Navigate to the dashboard. Click on the settings icon located in the top right corner. Select General Settings from the drop-down menu. In the General Settings, click on Data Protection. Review the data protection options available. Enable two-step authentication for an added layer of security. Choose a method for two-step authentication, such as SMS or an authenticator app. Confirm your chosen method and set it up. Next, go back to the Settings menu and select User Access. Review the list of users who have access to your account. Edit the permissions for each user based on their role. Set strict access for sensitive financial data. Consider setting up user roles for better management. Next, visit the Audit Trail section. This feature tracks all changes made within your account. Regularly monitor the audit logs for any unauthorized access. Now, return to the dashboard and locate the backup option. Schedule regular backups of your financial records. Make sure backups are stored in a secure location. Consider using cloud storage services for added protection. Review your backup settings every few months. Finally, familiarize yourself with Xero's customer support resources. Reach out for assistance if you encounter any issues. By following these steps, you will enhance the security of your financial records in Xero. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.